So we thought that we would include this so to kind of give you an idea of other properties in Italy. After we finished the tour with David Benton, and that tour we saw over 20 different properties, we just thought, well, let's see what's out there. We saw this one particular property. Actually, Katya saw it, and she said, "Jake, you got to see this." We saw pictures of it, and it seemed like a deal too good to be true. It was about 23,000 euro. Had absolutely great views. It looked like a big place. So we thought, well, why not? Why don't we go and see it? So we called up Mayela House, which is the realtor, and they sent somebody and they showed it to us. And we were absolutely wowed by it. I mean, the views of this place were just amazing. It was a really big house. It had a terrace on the top of the roof, and we liked everything except that the walls seemed kind of in bad shape. Um, and so that's when the realtor says, "Well, it's going to cost about 80,000 euros to fix." Well, we thought that's a little bit not too much. I mean, I guess for 100,000, you would have an absolutely fabulous house with absolutely great views. Um, but the problem is, being that we're here in San Antonio, the work would have to be done by somebody else, and we would be remote and we wouldn't see what's going on. Not a good situation for us. Perhaps a project like that, maybe once we were to move and be there and we could sort of see what everyone is doing, perhaps. Not a good idea. However, right across the sidewalk was another little property, and that little property was for 35,000. Anyway, to say the least, we were a bit disappointed. We really liked the place. We liked the size of it. We liked many things about this property, and we thought, is it possible? I mean, we afterwards, even though we saw the other little property, we went back to our room and we thought, could we make this work? I mean, could we possibly do it? I mean, it had great potential, and it would seem like this would be the thing that we would really be proud of. We would be, this is a project that we took on and all. It just, again, we're in a different country. It's not going to be able to happen. But we're okay with that. We thought, okay, if anything, the other little property we're going to show you has a lot of potential. So with that, here, let's take a quick look. So this little property across the way was very cute. Um, it has great views like the other place, and it really is ready to go. The kitchen is in good shape, good appliances. Bathroom is in good shape. The only problem is that it's a little too small for us. It was two small bedrooms, a living area which would include the kitchen and the dining room, but no living room. Two great balconies that have some really great views, but it really wasn't for us. But we could imagine a writer being able to be away from everything and write to his heart's content or her heart content. Um, Other than that, it was kind of a little disappointing that it wouldn't work, but we kind of thought, well, maybe a bed and breakfast, perhaps. I don't know. What do you think?